Hey, welcome to the Studebaker show down here in Custer, South Dakota. We're here on another beautiful day. Sun's shining, the breeze is wonderful. It's 70 degrees. Couldn't ask for a better day. And we have 37 of some of the nicest Studebakers and Packards you've ever seen before. If you haven't made it out to one of our shows, please, next year, Labor Day weekend, Sunday, Custer, next to the chamber, we'll be here 10 to 2. Come on out and see us. We'd love to see you.
My name is Bruce Peterson. I'm from Belfouche, South Dakota. It's a 34 Studebaker Commander Regal Coupe. They made many Commanders. They made over 10,000 some Commanders, but they only made a few Regal Coupes. And there's only a few differences, but basically Commander's a 6-cylinder. This is an 8-cylinder. I have the extra spares in the fenders here, and I got some extra lights. And the only thing I don't have, which they built in that year, is you could have a rumble seat. Mine's just a trunk. And I got it originally started at Motive Museum. They picked it up and they worked on it. And then a buddy of mine traded the car that he had for this car, and he took it home and he was going to hot rod it. And when I found out he was going to hot rod it, I talked him out of it and basically got him to want to sell it to me. So we started negotiating for a sale, and then he passed. So about a month or so after he passed, the wife knew that I wanted it and knew that he wanted me to have it too, because he didn't want to mess it up. So basically he gave it to me. I bought it from her and finished it. I had to do a bunch of painting and get the motor going, and the radiator had problems, and the oil system had problems, just a few things. But now it runs fine, works great. It's a lot of fun. I don't know if too many of them being around. They told me there was less than a dozen of them put together. Makes it pretty rare, but I have no idea what the value is on them. I don't think I'm going to be getting rid of it anytime soon.
I'm Tom Tilma from Milan, Minnesota. We've owned this car for a number of years. First time I had it out to Custer was in 2014, first year of retirement. It came from my father-in-law's estate, and he had it fully restored. It has a 6-cylinder engine, 180 some cubic inches, 70 horsepower. It has a 3-speed manual transmission with what they call freewheeling. So when you let off on the gas, the car coasts, so it doesn't have any engine drawback. So it's a little tougher on brakes, but the brakes on this car are phenomenal. It's a nice, smooth running car. Colors are the blue and black. They are not Studebaker colors, but Studebaker put out a number of these Rocknes. Now, they only made this car in a couple of years, 1932 and partway through 1933, but it's a very nice, sharp-looking car.
It's Mike Proyos here from Hermosa, South Dakota with my 1954 Packard Henny hearse. It's a rare car. It's got a straight 8 engine in it. It's a Henny new 3-way, it's called. The bier, which is what the coffin sits on, can either exit left or right or out the back, which is unique. It's a great car. I've been after this car for 5 years and finally was able to secure it December of this past year, 24. Okay, here we have, the doors are open suicide, so this coffin can exit on the bier. So you see that we got rollers here, so this bier turns with the coffin on it, and it comes out this door or that door or out the back. And you could see how long the bier is. And then this little compartment here stores the church cart, which is what the coffin sits on. And they move it into the church, out to the church, and back, into the car. How are you doing? Good.
I'm Dwayne Breyer from Hot Springs, South Dakota, and this car is a 1915 Studebaker Roadster. It has a 4-cylinder engine, and one thing unique about it, the head is molded right in with the block. It's not a separate head. It's a neat car to drive. and it has what they call a cone clutch. And this is very unique for most modern cars. The flywheel was actually cone-shaped. So it went in and grabbed, and you took off. And it was not smooth like the clutches we have today or have had for the last 50 years. It's a fun car. It'll run about 45, 50 miles an hour if you got everything in good shape. As you notice, it's wood wheels. The body basically from here back is wood with steel sheeting over it.
I'm Tony Urich. I'm from Garner, Iowa. It's about 600 miles from here. Brought my 1963 Studebaker Lark Wagonaire. It's a Daytona model. It's actually one of the first year of the sliding roof. And you know the Studebaker brothers, they actually started out with the wagons, wouldn't make wagons, so I even got a replica over that at the tent, but it's a little goat wagon that's actually a replica of what the Studebaker brothers made when they had a wagon company. Nice touch to it. The roof rack is kind of an option. It's got a retractable roof. It's got a lock here. You give it a 180-degree turn, give it a push back, and it'll lock in this position too, so I can actually drive the car with both directions, and that is great. It's like a convertible when it's like this. Family car, utility wagon, convertible. You'll see a lot of times they'll advertise this car as hauling a refrigerator straight up when it's open like this. Our tailgate here has a rear step, which was for the ladies with skirts on back in 1963 to get into the car to get their stuff out, or the kids, because it did have an option of a rear facing seat. So, and I'm guessing we did about 90 miles yesterday. Car did a great job of traveling, so awesome. I've been with Studebakers ever since I was born. My dad brought me home with the Studebaker, I know that. And I believe it was in 1951, Commander, because he was that. And he tried to keep Studebaker alive for us kids for quite a while.
Steve Brown from Fort Pierre. I and my wife Pat have this 1955 Studebaker Speedster. And the Speedster was basically Studebaker's attempt to compete against the Thunderbird and the Corvette, which were being put out about that time. And so they built this car, and they put about everything you could put on a car at that time. Power steering, power brakes, special paint jobs. As you can see, this is very close to an original paint, which is sort of amazing. The engine was initially a 259 V8, and I have changed that to a 289 V8, but it's still a Studebaker engine. It has probably about 10,000 miles on it now. We've driven it, and so anyway, we enjoy the car. It's got a special interior in it, also leather with they call it shoemaker stitching.
I'm named Roy Kelly from Kalispell, Montana, a Glacier Street Rod Company. This is a 47 Studebaker convertible, which you don't find too many of. It's been modified a little bit. It's got a 4.6 liter Ford motor on it, and everything has been modified on this to run down the road. So Lincoln Versailles rear end and four-wheel disc brakes. And the upholstery work was all done by a local guy in Kalispell, Montana, and it's really good. And we enjoy it. We come to the Studebaker Club Meet. This is our third time here, so we come quite often. We take care of it, drive it all the time. We've put 30,000 miles out over the last 6 or 7 years.
Craig Randall from Broadus, Montana. And this is a 1939 Packard 110 Club Coupe, and I've owned it just for a couple of years. Bought it just a couple of years ago. It's got a 350 motor with a 350 transmission. Drove it up here from Broadus today, just a few days ago. Great car, and this is the first show I've taken it to. Yep, and it's a good place. Custer's always welcomed us. A grand place. Bring your Studebaker or Packard.
I'm John Sternhagen from Leeds, South Dakota. This is my wife and my car. It's a 1960 Lark 8 convertible. It has a 259, 3-speed overdrive, It's just a nice little driver. We take around the hills and enjoy ourselves in. I bought the car in the condition it is. I've had a lot of different Studebakers in my life that I have worked on. This one here I actually bought in this condition from an individual in Rapid City, South Dakota, and I've had it for 2 or 3 years now, and we enjoy driving it on a regular basis. It's just a driver.
I'm Jim Harkins from Casper, Wyoming. I've been coming to this meet off and on for 15, 18 years, and I have a 1956 Studebaker pickup, slightly modified, so I can drive it. We enjoy the meet, we enjoy the people much more than the vehicles, and I highly, highly recommend people come to this meet just for the company and the fact that you get to see the beautiful Black Hills. What we have is a 1956 Transstar half-ton pickup, and it was normally too rough riding, so we modified it to make it right. It is air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes, so it's been a pleasure to have it. And this is one of the 3 I have left. I had 9. I'm trying to get them down a little bit.
Sterling Horney from Regina, Saskatchewan, just above 500 miles north of here. This is my 50 Studebaker, belonged to my grandfather. He purchased it from my uncle, which was a Studebaker dealer at that time, home there. And it's been in the family since 1950. Grandpa drove it till 73, 74, and he gave it to me to look after, and I took and parked it and pulled it out till I joined the club in 86. So once I joined the club in 86, it's been to all places, and it's only got 36,000 miles on it now, and it's been a good car, taken a lot of shows, and the history in it is going to keep it.
Are people selling any cars out here today?
I'm selling mine. I had it lined up.
Well, it does have a high knots. And under the seat. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's only a bit.
This is having to find out about the car show I put my car.
You don't see that with all the school systems. They're so screwed up. There's no humor.
Oh, look at the step up. Well, if you're interested, I'll have you Oh, you're fine. I'll be here.
This is nice. This is nice.
Oh, yours like a safety.
Seats are probably just a little bit different. Oh yeah. My father was born in 1970.